It is the survival flint fire starter. It is made from tool-grade steel and has a distinct hardness. Maximizes a shower of hot sparks, no matter whether you prefer to use your left hand or right hand to scrape. It works seamlessly with your flint and steel, ferro rods, or any other fire starters. Proprietary wax-infused natural hemp cord works in all weather conditions. Perfect emergency fire starter for bushcraft, hiking, hunting, fishing, EDC, emergency, BBQ, gas cat stoves, etc. Don't use bad quality knife as striker. Otherwise it will not produce enough sparks due to insufficient hardness of blade. This is very amazing flint fire starter, and you can easily buy from Amazon. This is the RTIC cooler, the best large cooler available on the market. Makes an ideal marine, hunting, or camping cooler, still small enough for one person to carry. Keep your drinks, food, and meat cold on that long camping trip. This cooler has a 65 can capacity, so you can embrace the outdoor life while still channeling the comfort of your own home. This is perfect for keeping food and drinks colder for longer. Use it for big hunting trips, offshore fishing vacations, and more. Made of rotomolded plastic construction, non-slip feet. Keep ice up to 10 days, easy lift handle, heavy-duty rubber T-latches. This is the MyMedic MyFac Standard Red First Aid Kit. First aid kits that contain only the best first aid supplies. Backed up by a lifetime warranty. Their first aid kits are specifically designed to help everyday people save lives in specific situations. And each one comes packed in a super durable carrying case or pack that's built to take a beating and keep your first aid supplies safe from the elements. MyMedic has done a great job of designing first aid kits that were made for use in high-stress situations. The design of both the Recon and MyFac packs make intuitive sense, with pouches and compartments placed where you would instinctively reach for them, and this is very helpful. This is the Spyderco Para 3 Signature Folding Knife. The Para 3 takes all the proven features and benefits of Spyderco's best-selling Para Military 2 and distills them into an even more compact all-purpose cutting tool. It includes a textured index finger choil and thumb ramp that provide a solid purchase for a forward grip and offer enhanced control during precise cutting tasks to keep the Para 3 slim and pocket-friendly. It features a lightweight, open-backed construction style, and its stainless steel liners are nested into machined recesses in the textured G10 scales. It is available on Amazon and you can easily buy this. This is the Petzl Noctilite headlamp case. The nifty Noctilite is a protective case for Petzl's compact headlamps that diffuses light. Place your headlamp inside and it becomes a lantern with endless possibilities. Place it on a surface, suspended it in a tent, attached it to a belt, a dog collar, protection and transport of compact headlamps from the Petzl Classic, Active and Performance lines, offering a lighting alternative that expands the usability of the headlamp. The Noctilite helps diffuse the light from your headlamp, turning it into a lantern light source you can place anywhere. This is the Camping Cookware Storage Bag Camping Kit, suitable for picnics in the park, outdoor cooking, barbecue, hiking, boating, or camping in the depths of the woods. This camp kitchen kit allows you to easily access all barbecue accessories and cooking necessities on the go. Made of tough woven cotton, corrosion-resistant stainless steel camping utensils, outdoor or indoor utensils without BPA, tasteless and dishwasher safety. The designated pocket pouch of each appliance can protect the tool from dirt or scratch during transportation or storage.